Today I'm going to talk about what not to do with a new lawn care business. Now, these are the 4 biggest mistakes that I see you guys make. So have you ever thought about starting a lawn care business and thought, how hard can it be? Just grab a mower, find a few customers and you're set to go? Well, not so fast. A lot of people dive into lawn care unprepared and quickly realize it's not just about cutting grass, it's about running a business the right way. And if you don't, you'll be stuck, struggling instead of growing. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 biggest mistakes that new lawn care businesses make and how to avoid them. Mistake 1, pricing too low. One of the fastest ways to fail in this business is underpricing your services. If you don't price correctly, you won't make enough to grow. You'll be constantly scraping by and you'll burn out fast. So here's the rule. Work out how much it costs you to run your business and then double it. That's your starting point. You need to survive before you can thrive. Mistake number 2, lack of lawn care knowledge. Want to lose a customer fast? Try damaging their lawn. Never go too low when you take on a new lawn. You'll need to get the lay of the lawn. So if you're not sure, start mowing the lawn in a less visible area, and then you can adjust it if you need it. If you cut the lawn too short, it'll stress the grass, invite weeds and disease, and that's not a good look for your business. Before you start charging people, learn the basics, watch a few tutorials, practice on your own lawn and learn how to do a nice job. Your reputation will depend on it. Mistake number 3, slow response time. Have you ever called a business and never got a response or got a late response? That's frustrating, isn't it? Well, lawn care is competitive and customers don't want to wait. Adopt a tow truck driver mentality. You see the lead, secure the job, do the lawn, book the next mow and move on. Speed wins. The faster you respond, the more likely you are to land the job. Letting leads sit for hours or even days, you're leaving money on the table and you're losing customers. Mistake number 4, prioritizing new customers over existing ones. It's easy to chase new business and you get excited about it, but what about the customers that you already have? I've seen too many contractors lose work as fast as they pick it up because they focus only on new clients. They're picking them at one end and dropping them off at the other. If you're getting too busy, don't get sloppy. You need to either increase your prices, reduce your workload, or hire someone to help you. Prioritize your regular customers because they're your foundation. Keep your quality high and you won't have to worry about churn. Look, success in lawn care isn't just luck, it's a strategy. So if you want to get more tips on how to get leads and grow your lawn care business to 10k a month, join my free community, the Lawn Business Builders. The link is below. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when running a lawn care business? Let's help each other grow. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more lawn care business tips. Until next time, get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.